Hi, handsome. I heard you all the way in the kitchen. Were you calling my name? Papa Nana. A second, Mama, I need you. Hi, beautiful. Oh, you sad? Don't be sad. Is that a tear? Are you crying for your mama? Yeah, you could be a brindle. Yeah, you are. You're gonna be a blue brindle. Let me see your face, little stinky butt. Hi, beautiful. You're hungry? I'll go get her. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, look at your little mustache. And that poop. OMG. Look at that little face. Look at Levi. Come here, handsome. I'm right here. Oh, I love them so much. Look at them. Yeah, this one's gonna be a blue fawn too, I think. The blue brindle. I think so. I see some fawn hairs right there. Let me see. Hi, beautiful. Balthazar. Ball. I'm sorry, my little friend. Mama wants to hang out with me for a little bit. Hi, Balthazar. Hi, Balt. Say, brother, wake up. Wake up, brother. Oh my goodness. He's like the biggest brother ever. The size of his head. He is so freaking handsome. You gonna come over here and lay with your brothers? Come on. I know you can. I know you can. Self-soothing. Mommy went out there, so he's not very happy. Look at those faces. Oh, I get you, Mama. I'll make her come back.